Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Dollar Tree to see if they have anything new this week. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. So you get the Gain Febreze scented trash bags. You get 5 of these. Quick Tide Clorox Resist Bacteria Odor, 5 of these. And that's the 13-gallon trash bags. This is a slider with Practi zipper. You get 8 bags, gallon storage. This one is a 13-quart storage here. And this one is these snack bags. You get 40 of these. We have these 25 snack zipper bags here, double seal. And these are the sandwich bags here. You have the heavy duty, guaranteed strong. You get, it's a 30-gallon trash can, and you get 4 of these. Brown bags here, you get 30. Oh, these are nice. So what do we have here? So we have a 3-piece reusable square carrier. You get 3 containers per pack. You get that one. They have the gray, and then they have the round one. You get 3 of these. So it comes in the color gray, green, and rosy pink. It's glass, but it's not. It's a heavy, nice plastic. Okay, by McCormick. And they also have the square one, square and round. These coffee cups are amazing, guys. I purchased, I think I have the blue one, Instant Happiness, 3 total. And they're really nice. Yes, I have the Instant Happiness, the blue one. Really nice, no complaints. Oh, now this is new, guys. This is glass here. Glass storage containers. So this is one here. It is microwave safe and freezer safe. So they have this one with the round top, and this one with the square top, and then they have this one with the gray top here. Okay. So it comes in the clear blue or the solid gray top, round and square. They also have these glass bowls. They are nice, so heavy. Ooh, yes. Positivity and kindness. Yes. Blessed coffee obsessed. Okay. Sip back and relax. Okay guys, I'm over here in the storage container section, and I didn't see anything new this week. Everything over here has been here for probably the past couple of months. But I do want to highlight this little shelf here. This is a step shelf. It's a 3-tier. And they have this 1 tier right here, which is a cabinet shelf. And they have it in white on both of those. Okay. And they've, like I said, everything over here that I see, guys, has been here for a long time. They have not restocked yet on in this section. Okay. We have these in black and white. Ooh, it smells so good over here. Let me stop. Oh my goodness. Okay, so of course Fabuloso is over here. It smells so good. It's in the lavender. This one, this Ajax Floor Scent Multi-Purpose Cleaner. You have the Pine Sol right here. More scent in the Fabuloso. They also have the Spick and Span right there. Now this Fabuloso here says it's antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner. Okay. So this one is different than this one. This is the original one that they always carry. Original multi-purpose cleaner. And this one says antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner. The Spick and Span is in the spray bottle, and they do have a few different scents. The first scent is going to be this one, which is the fresh citrus scent. And this one is 1 pint. This one is the Advanced Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner, Fresh Lavender Scent. They have the Fresh Lavender Scent without the spray top. This one is 1 pint, and this one is 1 pint as well. Okay, and then they have this one, which is the fresh lemon scent in the bottle. It's up there. Yes. That one. Okay, guys, now I purchased this wood cleaner on last week for the first time here at the store, and I like it. I like it a lot. So I would recommend that. In the comment section which scent you like the best over here in the awesome multi-purpose cleaning supplies. Okay, I used to buy this years ago and it worked well too. I like the lemon scent on this. A rectangular shaped pegboard. They have it in white and they have it in black. This one is a square shaped pegboard shelf in white and black. They have these adhesive rinks in black and white. Wire net connector, pegboard hooks in black and white. Okay, these cute little candle holders are worth looking at. I absolutely love these. I love this shape, kind of like the chevron shape. This one is nice. They have this one with the little beads. And this one has been here for a minute with the leaves. It's really pretty. And look at these, guys. Aren't these pretty? These are new, I think. I've not seen these. Energize candle. Huh. Cute. They've had these for a minute right here. They're nice. The candle warmers here. I like these colors. It's really pretty. They have that one. And they have this color right there. This is nice right here. Oh, yes. This one is golden apple cider. This one is fresh linen. Oh, yes. And they have the fragrance oil here. This is the sun ripple berry. Okay, and this one is the green tea and bamboo. These are just too cute. Oh, they even have the LED candles, guys. You get 120 hours out of those. On this little end cap here, apple grape, sparkling apple juice. It's a grape one. They have Valentine candy here, the truffles, cotton candy, and the heart candy. Valentine tree, guys, it's up right here. Nice. Okay, now here are some of their spring items they have over here, guys. I have a whole video on just their spring items. Dollar Tree Plus that has all of these items and more. On reach and pick up right here, guys. 2 pack of the door stoppers, or you can get 1 large one. They come in white, they come in black. Well, these are good, guys, for your furniture legs at the bottom. They are called felt pads. Premium surface protection, durable smooth glide performance. I think I need to pick up a pack of these. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I know I'm gonna forget it. Don't forget it, girl. So this is called a gripper pads. Secure items in place, prevent surface damage. Okay. It's diabetic comfort socks here, size 6 through 12. They also have them in gray and white. Okay, guys, so here on this end cap here, they have a lot of their storage containers with the tops, and I love it. Okay, so the first one is going to be this one, which is like a medium size. This one is the round one. This one has the hand grip so that it won't slip out of your hand. You can use it for like pasta or cereals. And then they have this larger one right here. $125. And these straws, you get 80. I love straws. And these cute frames over here. Oh man, they've stepped it up in here. So this is a 10 by 8 photo frame. Then they have the 5 by 7, 8 by 8, and then they have the display easels in gold, black, and silver. Then they have these 6x4 photo frames in black and gold. And this one is 4x4 photo frame. Yes. And more frames here. 8x10s. Oh, this one is nice. Look at this one. I like that trim. This is a nice trim. This one is gray. This one is gold. Nice design. This one is blue. Blue and gold. It's nice. This one is black and gold. Black and silver. Huh. Oh, look at that cute baby. Okay, another great end cap here, guys. They have these small little glasses here. They have this one. This one is a little bit larger here. It's larger than that one. And they have these. Oh, yes. Oh, this is a nice weight here, guys. It's not thin at all. Okay, on this end cap, we have beautiful baskets. This color is gorgeous. Also have this pretty color and this one. Ooh, look at this, guys. Oh, I like this. This is a clear bin here with the latch on the side and the handle in the middle. And you can see whatever is in your container. Love that. Okay, they have this blue container here. This smoke black. And this clear one here, smaller clear one here, just like the blue and the black. Aren't these nice? Another storage box. This is a rotating 4-cork hook. Huh. Okay. Black and it is in white. You get 2. Yes, you get 2 per pack. Well, that's nice. Guys, how beautiful. So we have a few different designs. We have this one with the lines. This one. We have that color and that color, same design. And this one is in red. How beautiful. She just took these out of the box. Oh yes, nice. Look at all these noodles over here. Oh my goodness. We have these little hearts and crunchy candy. Soft creamy fudge and a rich chocolate shell. Oh my goodness, let me run away. Now guys, last week we briefly went over some of their garden supplies that they have out. They did not have this rope, this plant hanger here last week. So yeah, I think you guys would want to know that these are here. We have them in these 3 different colors. And these ponchos, emergency ponchos, are always good to have, guys. It's a one size fit all. And just to have in your car or in your purse, it is for $125. It is a must to have, because that's the worst thing, to get stuck out in the rain. And oh my goodness, like I have my equipment on me and I can't afford to get it wet. I don't want to get my hair wet. Oh my goodness. So for $125, I think that's a great investment just to have on you. They also have these small umbrellas here. Oh yes, manual open umbrella, compact size, ideal for travel. Great, great, great. You don't need it until you need it, right? So I put them in my car, or, you know, like in my tote bag or something. But in your car, I think it's the safest place to put those. Okay, I see they brought these socks back. The Cheez-It, Chips Ahoy, Shamrock and Roll. Oh my goodness, all of these, they're just so cute. Even the Heinz tomato ketchup, the Oreos, chocolate chip, all of those are just so cute. Yeah, they even have these low-cut socks right here. The Valentine socks and crew socks. Yeah. Okay. Well, all right, friends, I think that's it here today at Dollar Tree. We had a good one today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for stopping by and watching my videos. That really warms my heart, and I want to say thank you. I appreciate you, and I see you. Alrighty, guys, well, that is it here today, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Just me